How to fix voice chat not working in Valorant. So first what you want to do, just go to your settings right here on the top right, then go to audio. And once you're here, make sure that incoming volume is set to 50% and up, your mic volume to 90% and up, and your mic sensitivity threshold, you just mess out with it and try the perfect threshold for you. So for me, I used this, and make sure that party voice chat is turned on and team voice chat is turned on. Now once it's done, go to output device, click on the drop down menu and select the output device that you're using. So I'm currently using my default one, which is the SteelSeries Sonar Gaming audio device. So this is where my output goes. So this is where I hear my game. So just select that or select whatever output you're currently using, your output device. And the same goes with the input device. Select the mic that you're using. So I'm currently using the default one. And what my default one is this SteelSeries Sonar microphone. So once it's done and you've checked it and it's still not working, what you can do is just exit it out of Valorant first. And once you've exited out of Valorant, just click on the arrow right here in your taskbar and make sure to exit out of Riot Games. Once it's done, search for sound settings on your menu. Sound settings. And once you're here, make sure that the output that is checked is the output that you're currently using. And if you can't see it right here, maybe it is disconnected from your PC or laptop. So make sure that it's connected first. And once you see it, make sure that it is selected and that it is the same output as the one that you're using in Valorant or the one that you've set in Valorant. So they should be the same. Same goes with the input. They should be the same. So I'm using my SteelSeries Sonar microphone and it should be the same with the Valorant input device. And once that's done, go to more sound settings right here. And this menu should pop up and go to playback and find the output device that you're using. So for me, I am using this headphones or my SteelSeries device. So right click on it, then click on properties, then go to advanced and make sure to disable this. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. So just simply click on that, click on apply. And also you could also disable this, enable audio enhancement, apply, okay. And once it's done, go to recording and do the same with your mic. So right click on whatever mic you're using, go to levels and make sure that it is set to 90 and above. Go to advanced and disable this, click on apply, click on OK, and that should do the trick. And once it's done, click on OK. And if it's still not working, what you can do now is go to device manager, search for device manager, then find your sound, video, and game controllers. Now, once you're here, you just simply need to find the device that you're currently using. So let's say my USB condenser microphone. So I'm going to right click on it, just simply disable and enable the device, and just right click on it again and uninstall device, then just restart your computer. And after that, open up Valorant. Then that should do the trick. And that is basically it.